Hi, my name is Michael Smithies, and I will be your calculus teacher for today. For today's topic, we will be discussing how to calculate a derivative using the definition of a derivative. Maybe you have seen the quick shortcut formulas that are used to get a derivative, but here is the technical definition. It says the derivative of f prime of x is equal to the limit as h goes to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Or we can use limit as x approaches a, f of x minus f of a over x minus a. I like the first definition more, so we'll use that today in some of our exercises. So here's a nice and simple problem. Let's find the derivative of 8 plus 4x using the definition of a derivative. So the derivative of this is going to be the limit as h approaches 0. And then it says we take f of x plus h, which means everywhere there's an x, we replace it with an x plus h. Then I have to subtract away the original function and put it all over h. The goal of these limit problems is to use algebra to get rid of the h on the bottom of the equation. So if we multiply it out, we get, as the limit of h approaches 0, we have 8 plus 4x plus 4h minus 8 minus 4x all over h. From here, we can cross out the 4x's, the 8's, and then we are left with, as the limit of h approaches 0, we have 4h over h. From here, we can say that the limit of h as h approaches 0 is 4. So let's try another problem. Here we have x squared plus x minus, 8, which is slightly harder than the last problem we tried. So again, everywhere I see an x, I am going to replace it with an x plus h. So we have f of x plus h equals x plus h squared plus x of plus h minus 8. So that gives us x plus h squared plus x plus h minus 8. We can FOIL that out to make it easier, which then we get x plus h plus x plus h minus 8. Then if we multiply these together, we'll get 8x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus x plus h minus 8. So now I'm going to fill in the definition of a derivative. So we have limit of h approaches 0 is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus x plus h minus 8. Then we subtract the original function, which is x squared plus x minus 8 all over h. So now what we're going to try to do is simplify this whole thing. Simplify some of the things in the numerator. So we have limit as h approaches 0. And here we can cross out x squared, two of those, the x and this x, and then we have the negative 8 and plus 8. So from here we are left with 2xh plus h squared plus h all over h. So the next step in this problem is to factor out the h's. So we have limit of h approaches 0, then we can take the h out of each term in the numerator, which gives us h, 2x plus h plus 1 all over h. From here, we can cancel these two out, and we are left with the limit as h approaches 0, 2x plus h plus 1. So once we put the h as 0 into the equation, we get 2x plus 0 plus 1, which is 2x plus 1. And there we are. That is how you use the definition of a derivative. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.